Welcome! In this video, we will go over how to either add or update a credit card on your virtual office account. Let's look at how to edit payment information for a reoccurring loyalty order. Go to the Shop tab and click on the Loyalty Order Number button you want to change payment information for. Once you are in that loyalty order, near the top of the order section, click on the little edit option next to payment. A pop-up should appear listing and previously added cards. To just change the payment of this order to a different card that has already been saved in your account, click on the Use button next to the desired card. Click on the Manage Cards option at the top right of the pop-up. To delete a card you no longer want saved to your doTERRA account, click on Remove this payment option. You can also update existing card information by clicking on Edit this payment. A pop-up will appear for you to change the existing card payment. Don't forget to save changes. Click on Add New Card button to enter an entirely new card. This will bring you to a Yandex pop-up. Click the button in the pop-up window. This will open the window in order to enter the new credit card information. Add the billing address, card number, card expiration, and verification code. Click on Pay. Make sure the information is correct before saving. If you get an error, it may be because something has been entered incorrectly or that the billing address is in the wrong format. The process for managing credit card information is the same for the standard one-time orders. Simply click on the Edit option next to payment once you are in the cart. Thanks for watching.